process design, engineering, turnkey supply, erection of equipments and commissioning of entire systems. Serving the industry with passion for process equipments and turnkey solutions. We are ACME Process Systems Private Limited. Our state-of-the-art facility in Pune comprises of a spacious fabrication system, avant-garde machine shop, and a modern testing facility. Established in the year 2010 by 3 enterprising individuals, ACME Process Systems has risen high by delivering the best of engineering for the betterment of the process industry. Our infrastructure, in-house design department, and trained professionals empower us to conduct self-reliant project executions efficiently. Today, we deliver more than 350 critical reactors, 700 plus agitators every year, and very many turnkey plants for a spectrum of process industry within India and overseas. We design and manufacture GMP skids and aseptic modules for pharmaceuticals and bioprocess systems. We have a dedicated team of engineers for design, manufacture, project management, site installation, pilot studies and scale-ups. Dedicated research lab with modern development tools to propel our R&D. Process reactors, pressure vessels. Process reactors manufactured with latest codes and standards in stainless steel and precious metals are in service since last many years. With process time reduction and improved yield benefits in industries. Fluid mixing technology. High-efficiency hydrofoil designs are developed to create wide range of hydrofoil impellers to suit a variety of operations. Computation fluid dynamics is done using latest simulation software that can predict velocity, direction of flow, shear imparted, mixing time for homogeneity, dead zones, and recommendations to improve process results. High shear equipments. Twin shaft dispersers and high-speed dispersers give better particle size reduction. Optimum design reduces capital cost. We are consistently accredited and certified by relevant standardization authorities. Adopting a total quality management approach, we work diligently to serve our clients across India and abroad. With a vision to deliver constant innovations, we are driven with our mission to achieve highest standards in our stratum consistently. We are ACME Process Systems Private Limited.